What's trending this weekend? We don't usually recognize seasons in Jamaica, but just so you know, it is springtime. Technically, it's spring. You know, our Americans are all talking about spring, and the trends are changing with the weather. So, this morning, Natalie O is here to up your dinner time experience, and she's brought a few guests to the party. So, we welcome you, Natalie, once again. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. You have some beautiful pieces on the table, and we are getting ready for our Easter.
Yeah, Easter weekend, Easter Sunday. We're having dinner, brunch. A lot of people entertaining this weekend.
I didn't get the invitation to your house.
I said a lot of people. I'm going to a dinner party. I need a break.
I hear that.
So we just want to remind your viewers, our shoppers, that, you know, Maxi's here for everything your home entertaining needs. Platters, glasses, stemware, your barware, everything. We have it in one place.
Maxi's store has everything.
Pretty much for the whole family, mom, dad, kids, grandpa, everybody.
Okay, so let's look at the pieces on the table.
Absolutely. We have a wide variety of juice pitchers. This one is a ceramic top. Really nice, looks good. And this is used in a lot of bridal showers as well. So event planners have been buying this one with the pink punch, and then they'll spice it up and make it blue for when they're revealing the sex of the baby. Mm-hmm. And mason jars, always popular. We have a wide variety of these. These are also used as hostess gifts. A lot of kids, you can do crafts with kids with these mason jars. And these appetizer platters are good for entertaining, segment your treats.
I love how you did that. This one for the adults. This one for
the kids. Of course, bun and cheese in style with our cake stand. And this has a built-in doily on it, so you don't have to buy a doily.
Very cute.
Yeah. And this one is a cake stand. We have some macarons from Eleni's in Sovereign North. I want to say a big shout out. They were closing last night and I went late and they helped me out by getting them. And I really appreciate that. So really pretty for your Easter table. Just for even Sunday dinner, regular Sunday dinners. Take it up a notch when you bake your stuff. Present them good. I mean, we start eating with our eyes, right?
Yeah.
And of course, we have barware. We have rock glasses for the guys.
Are nice.
And
now, you know I gotta buy something every time you come.
I know,
right?
I know.
So you know I'm buying these glasses, and I think I want some of these too.
The rock glasses.
Oh, this is heavy, girl.
Yeah, this is a strong glass.
For a strong drink.
Right, whiskey. Good for your spirits. And of course we have a wide variety of decanters. Mm-hmm. We should decanter red wine.
So you put your wines in there, especially your red wine.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, want to point out these platters here are actually placemats, and these trays can be used for putting your perfumes and your jewelry on your vanity in your room.
No, see, it's very sturdy.
Yeah. And of course, all our floral arrangements on set today are from our floral department, and you can get the real look with these lovely orchids and calla lilies in a wide variety of colors.
For those of you who don't have a green thumb like I
and like myself, it's also more budget conscious, right?
Right.
We have our square appetizer plates as well, very trendy and very affordable. You can stack these up. Put some
I like how you said affordable. Pass it for me.
Yeah, and
I see the price.
Put some forks beside it and have your cake beside it. Cut it and let everybody help themselves at the party.
$300 a plate, my people. 340 Jamaican dollars. There you go.
Of course.
Prices on it.
And also,
I love the little appetizer nibblies.
Right. So we have cheese and nuts, and here we are also showcasing our table settings. So from dinner plates, salad plates. Of course, your centerpiece shouldn't be too high, so the other guest doesn't, isn't blocked. We have our glassware, silverware, napkins. Everything is available at Maxi.
Love that. Forks.
Very nice. This is a whole set.
It's like, is it silver? It looks like a black silver.
No, this one is silver. And of course, when you go to Maxi to buy stuff for your house, you can pick up a dress to wear to Easter Sunday party brunches. And also for the people doing the beach parties, we have a lot of new swimwear. That's out this week, daily coming in the stores.
Show the dress, ladies. Show the dress. Thank you. Forward out. Yes. All right. So I see the color scheme. Is this a theme? Why do we pastels in spring?
For Easter? Yes, Easter. It's very light and fresh. Yeah. Nothing too hard, like black. Like what I'm wearing. Look, black is timeless, and it's also slimming.
There you go.
So yeah, these pastels, muted pastels, really soft. Pencil dresses, and of course Renee's wearing a skater line, which is just fun and flirty with tassel earrings. Everything is available at Maxi. So we're
Gorgeous
right on
dresses.
point with all the accessorizing and freshening up your wardrobe.
Very nice. I like how you've made the bun and cheese fancy as well. So people, don't say you can't put on a beautiful Easter reception at your house. Look at that. Get the cake stand, cut up your bun and cheese,
Right.
and you look like it's like, this bun and cheese
Looks
looks like it's
fancy.
like worth $10
Exactly.
million. All right, beautiful stuff. So we have some pictures we also want to put up on the screen. So let's have a look at some other things that you can get for your Easter spring dinner or luncheon
Right.
at Maxie's.
That's right. It's a wide variety of the different plates that we sell. We want
Lovely.
to remind our shoppers, your viewers, that we have 7 locations all over Jamaica.
Yes.
And we're available online, maxistores.com, and on Instagram and Facebook, Maxi Stores and Maxi_Kingston.
Lovely. Now, I'm sure some viewers are watching and saying, boy, I'd like to just call Natalia O and ask her to just shop for me at Maxie's. Because you seem to put it together very well. Not everybody has the same
Yeah,
kind of eye
that's
and
true.
that skill to put it together. Like you walk into the store, you see all these and you're like, I don't know how to put it together. So we're glad that you're here to show us.
But you know what? Credit to the staff as well. Samantha did all the floral arrangements in Portmore, and our staff, they're up to date, and they teach me a lot. So customer service is on point in Max's, and to
Lovely.
speak to your rep right there. And if I'm in store, feel free to ask me if you see me, if I'm not running from one place to the next.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Natalia. Thank you, ladies. You look absolutely springish. Gorgeous. Stylist and marketing consultant at Maxi Department Stores, Natalia. Oh, we want to thank you so much.